Millets are these grains which in the past were consumed by human beings around the world, whether it is Canada or whether it is United States or Brazil or Africa or China or India. These grains did exist. Somewhere in between, the dietary pattern of the population switched over in favor of rice and wheat. At this moment, we are talking about the food security. We're also talking about the nutritional security and the dwindling resources in terms of water or natural resources in terms of fertility of the soil. The one and only one answer to all this is millets, simply because they need less water. They are much more hardier. They can come up on the most marginal lands. And what can be better than millets at this point of time? This morning we will welcome the young entrepreneurs who have taken up entrepreneurship as their career. With us we have Deepti Dohale from Mumbai, Akhil from Himachal Pradesh. Two of you started a company. What prompted you to do this?
I also wanted to become an entrepreneur. I wanted to have my own business, and I wanted to have it in particularly in food industry only, in agriculture related field. This idea of Akhil about the millet product, I thought this is the thing I want to do, and we started this. He also has the same passion of doing the business.
How did you team up together? Because on one side she had interest in food science, and she talks about millet and something which she got motivated because you were interested in millets.
Since my childhood days, I was thinking about for entrepreneurship, and some of astrologer also, they were telling me you will be a businessman. So my mindset was there, I will be a businessman. Once I had visited that Art of Living, Bangalore Ashram, and there was one program, the Agri-Business Management. My sister told me that you should do this program. This was 2 years program. I thought this is not good for me, I will not do this. Then again, after 1 year, again I came in ashram and said, I don't know why it was my destiny or what. I joined this program.
You mean to say that you had a program of management where you enrolled? Well, how important was the course in transforming you as an entrepreneur? What are those courses really helped you rather in gaining a confidence, the kind of confidence that you have? So when maybe I think you had a couple of classmates of your own, I don't know how many of them have gone in for entrepreneurship. What really from the course helped you?
Yeah, course helped us a lot really, because it gave us a practical knowledge, and which is more important than whatever we study in the books. Today what we see while dealing with people and doing this business, carrying forward this business, more than bookish knowledge, it is more important to know practical things. That's what the course given to us, and that really helped us a lot.
The whole world is talking now about millets, and can you throw some light about millets and what are these, and of all the things in the world, why you particularly chose millets? Maybe can you just quote 3 good reasons why you took millets and not paddy or wheat or something else?
One major reason is, first of all, millets are most nutritious food on the earth, and second thing, they don't need pesticide or chemicals. Most of the millets are grown naturally. Health benefit which millet gives, it's tremendous. When you have it, when you will eat the millets in daily life, you will understand what is the difference between having the food of millet and having the food of rice or wheat or other things.
These millets can be grown in any dry area. Small scale farmers. See,
okay.
We have in India, we have small scale farmers that 1 acre, 2 acre land they are having. So that will help to that farmers.
You are talking about a small farmer having say 1 acre or 2 acre of land with less resources. How do you think this is going to be beneficial? Does it give him, what kind of returns a farmer can get from millets?
Yes, definitely. Millet, the price for millet they'll get more than paddy or the wheat.
And
You mean the cost benefit
Cost,
ratio
yes,
is
You
much
don't
better?
have to buy
Yes.
pesticides and all
Fertilizers,
and that
chemicals, they don't
irrigation
have to-
facilities. They don't have to make.
So the
invest on
inputs
that.
required for
It's very
cultivation of
less.
this crop is much
Much
lesser compared to
lesser
any other
than-
crop.
yes,
That's really
yes,
good.
yes.
Well, millet means is it just ragi or
No,
what is?
in India there are 8 type of different millets, and ragi is one of the millet.
Okay.
Then there are foxtail millet, little millet, kodo millet, then the proso millet, sorghum, pearl. These are different kind of millets which they have different varieties in that also.
What are the recipes that can be made from these millets?
It's very interesting. You can make substitute rice, paddy rice with the millet, because whatever you can make out of paddy rice, you can use millet instead of that. You can make curd rice, you can make pulao and biryani and
Sweets.
roti, sweets also. You can make paisans, you can make cakes, cookies. There are n number of recipes which we can make.
Dosas, idlis.
Idlis, then we can make that dokla. All the South Indian, North Indian, any dish you can prepare from this millet.
Will this be tasty too?
Yes, millets are. They have their own taste. They are sweet in the taste. A little sweetness, nutty taste is there in the millet. They themselves have taste. So it will definitely. The recipes you make out of millets are really very tasty.
Each millet has their own taste and own properties.
Oh.
One of is rich in fiber, one of rich in iron, calcium.
How many products have you made now?
First, we have started with that Maha millet with chocolate flavor.
It's
Then
a health drink.
health drink. Then elaichi flavor. Then we came up with the multi millet grain atta. Then again whole wheat with multi millet atta.
Okay.
And we are
Then-
coming up with like laddus, then cakes, cookies.
This formula is different millets and pulses, and it's in chocolate flavor. So it comes in a powder form, which you need to take with water or with milk. Anyone can take it. The best part of this product is a whole family can use one pack. From child to the old age people.
Whole family can make it one
it's,
drink.
It's one
Yes.
fit solution
Yeah.
for all.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
good,
yes.
great.
And instead of breakfast also, you can have 2 spoonful of Maha millet with the milk or with water.
So somebody who is in a very busy city,
Yes.
who are not very,
Yeah.
it's not very easy for them to prepare breakfast.
Yes.
You mean they can just take a spoonful
Full
of this
Maha
powder
millet,
with
milk.
Milk.
That solves the problem.
Yes.
Just we have to add sugar because
Great.
these millets are very good for diabetes, and these are known for especially type 2 diabetes.
You mean you have sugar in it, or you do not have
We
sugar?
don't have
Or you
sugar.
have two
We have
versions?
to add sugar
with-
in this.
Okay.
We kept the option open for the people. Whatever they like sugar free, they can take without sugar or add sugar free tablets in it, or they can add jaggery in it, honey in it. It's up to them. Or like we gave them choice, because these days people want sulfur free sugar, someone want this brown sugar, someone want this sugar free jaggery. So they have their own choices. So we kept the option open. Whatever they like, they can add. It's up.
Well, do you suggest this to sports people?
Yes, definitely. It has a lot of the energy in millets is very high. So she says that when she have millet, 1 spoonful of millet, ma millet in milk, she won't feel hungry during that 2 hours practice time of hers.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so she was telling that she used to feel hungry in between. So it affects her
Performance.
because she cannot perform when you are hungry.
Yeah.
Your body won't support you. So this is the thing. She said that this is the thing which made my. It has increased my stamina. It has my rounds of swimming have also increased. So that is something amazing.
10 years from now, where you want your company to be?
10 years from now, we want every sportsman should drink Ma millet. We used to sell this in Art of Living. There were many visitors from abroad like Russia, Japan, then Mongolia and different countries, US. Their response was very amazing. They liked the product very much. So we think we know that there is a market for us in abroad also.
Yeah. How you like to raise resources for your expansion?
We would like to investors, those who are ready to, who are interested to encourage the young entrepreneurs who would like to
Currently, is your company a private limited company or
it's a partnership firm.
it's a partnership firm?
Yes, registered partnership.
Very rarely in India people take to entrepreneurship, and congratulations, you are one of those very few. What advice do you have? Lots of students who study in business management colleges and basically with an idea to have a job in a corporate world. What advice do you have for the young students who participate in such courses?
You can grow a lot when you start your own entrepreneurship, like when you take up entrepreneurship, because you interacted with so many people, with you can you have to handle every single problem which is there on your own. You can take more responsibility,
And that's very challenging, and
Yes.
that's also very interesting.
Yes, it's very interesting. It's fun to do this. Really,
Is that the same
we
experience with
enjoy
you,
this.
Akhil?
Yeah, actually, that what we think that we have to implement.
Okay.
That is the main. If we are thinking, I'll do it later, then it won't be a entrepreneurship, that kind of.
That is
Just
meaning
what
the procrastination is not at all possible in.
What idea we have
Today.
to implement now only.
At this juncture, India has been recording economic growth rate of about 7%, 50% population who are less than 25 years, one of the youngest population in the world today. Lots of people have to get into entrepreneurship, and it's so nice to see that from Maitri NutraFoods you have commenced offering new products to the population, which is healthy and will be helpful to the farmers. And you have already offered Maha Millet, and you are going to offer another product, Multi Millet Atta, which I'm sure will build a stronger nation. Thank you so much for coming to the studios of Global TV.